Here are a few pointers on how to be successful on D.Tube. You have to make videos that you're passionate about. At least that's my opinion. Because when you're making videos that you're passionate about, it's going to feel less like work. And there's going to be days where you're not going to feel like working. Okay? And not all the videos that you make are going to make you money. So in order to help you get through this business, you're going to have to be passionate about what you're doing. Okay? And when it comes to marketing your videos and your business, you can't always just wait for all the upvotes to come, and you can't just wait for your video to all of a sudden become viral or make it to the trending list. Okay? You have to be proactive and think outside of the box. Try to promote your videos through other social media platforms and even through your own blog. Okay? And after posting your videos on D.Tube, maybe try to post them on YouTube and other video platforms so that more people will become aware of D.Tube and follow you on D.Tube. And when you're creating the content, try to be persistent and try to post videos every day if you can. So this is where being passionate comes into play. Now, strategically, you also want to get to know as many people as you can on the D.Tube platform and also on the Steemit platform so that you'll have more people upvoting your posts. I said in a previous video that it would be great if you can connect with a whale, or if a whale follows you, because a whale, if you don't know what a whale is, it's somebody that has a lot of steam power on steemit.com, and when they upvote people's videos, that has a lot of value and you'll get paid more. Okay, now you're also going to want to comment on other people's videos so that people can start becoming aware of you. So again, this is another way to connect with people. And lastly, it goes without saying, this is something that you should try to do in any business that you get into, is that you should try to focus on giving value to people through your videos.